I need a roof rack for my solar panels, but instead of buying one, I decided I will make one. I needed a roof rack sturdy enough to hold my old solar panels. I'm going to fit 4 solar panels on the roof. In this episode, I'm going to show you what materials I did use to make it, how I make it, how I cut it, how I weld it, and most of all, I show you how I install it on the roof and which way I did it. And what I mean by sturdy, I mean this. Sorry, never mind. What I mean by sturdy roof, I mean this. I can even hang on it. And spoiler alert! I only weigh 115 kilos, as you can see. It will hold! For this roof rack I'm going to use this metal pipe. It's 20 millimeters to 60 millimeters wide, and it's going to be 3 meters 64 centimeters length, and 1 meter 60 is going to be the inside, and it's going to be like 1 meter 64 from the other side to this side, and it's going to be about 8 centimeters from the gray area over the red area, so it's still inside of the van. I'm going to test this my old GoPro Hero Silver action camera to film like small detailing, and hopefully we can get some better clips as well. Here we can see my solar panels that I'm going to fit inside of the roof rack when it's ready. It's 75 centimeters on that side and 160 centimeters on that side. So we need at least 161 centimeters wide roof rack. Here we have the first one ready. I did cut this earlier. And as we can see, it is same height as the solar panel, so it will cover it barely, but that's what we want for. We have 1 centimeter extra on this corner, so it will perfectly fit inside of the roof rack, and that way we can get maximum cover on the edge. So if we drive in forest or somewhere, anywhere where is tall objects that can hit like side of the solar panel, when we have this roof rack on the edge, it will not destroy the inside and the glass surface from the solar panel. Now I'm just wondering if I should do 45-degree corners so I can weld them easily from the sides. Yeah, that's the next mystery of this project. Next we are going to do the 45. degree angle here. Now we have the 45 degree angle here, so we can measure how much more we need on each side. So it's basically 2 centimeters more on each corner. The short side is going to be 160, and the long way it's going to be 3500 millimeters plus 40 millimeters. Okay. It broke. It loosed. Damn. First 4 are ready, and the first side. Nice. It is huge. 1 panel, fan, second panel, third panel, and fourth panel. Next thing we are going to do is using brake cleaner to take off all oil, excess oil from this metal surface. Because when you buy a new metal pipe, there is already an oil coverage on the metal, so it doesn't get rust. And it moves better on the machines that cut the metal and shape it. So it's better to get every grease off before we start painting the frame. I'm going to use this 2 kilowatt heater, heating this container to about +5 to +10 degrees. And we have this, I don't know the word, rod heater something. It's heating really well, and I hope I can get this dried up all the way. It's about -3 Celsius right at the moment. As you can see, we need a little bit warming up this container so we can paint it. Now we have cleaned all oil and we have sanded the surface of this metal. As you can see, it's all cleaned up, and next thing we're going to do is start painting it to black. Hope the battery lasting long.